LPS chibai Mizoram clear to te chibai fe kole Josephine Laldin tluang kani a voin hi main som ni in nelai ni ani a voin hi Buddha zui tu te tan ni thiang hlim Buddha Purnima ani a zirna in sarkar pisate chol ani Mizoram lo dewa I han lut ve zakila avai thumna tan India chungchang Universal Periodic Review nei ani main li sang le som pasari khan United Nations Human Rights Council Noya Universal Periodic Review UPR nei ani a India team hi Mukul Rohatgi Attorney General of India na hawa ani baka hian Ruchi Ganashiam Secretary West Sri PS Padwalia Additional Solicitor General of India baka Ministry of External Affairs Ministry of Home Affairs Ministry of Women and Child Development Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment Ministry of Minority Affairs, Ministry of Rural Development, NITI, ayok achangin antelani. Universal Periodic Review hi kumngadana nei thin ani a India rampona kumsang ni le som pani le sang Pariat Khan review alaw nito a UN member ramzongzong te hi phun binayin kumngadana zel nei thin ani a he review a hian ramza pathumin India ram chunga human rights chungchang malakna andu khoplo tele tha anti te an se chhuaka ram som pakhaten zo na an pelok boka nam wai nungzok minorities te chung baka sakhwa awanga harsatna thleng thin baka India marchale Jammu and Kashmir Armed Forces Special Powers Act 1958 baka Germany engtangin nge UN Special Reporters on the Rights of Indigenous Peoples thopui an tumti zona chu India hian at chang lawa he baka hian human rights defenders te tor na sang chungchang te darlan ani nimin tlaya UNO office Geneva a hemi pual chut khoma India hian recommendations ani sumngazet adon thu tarlan ani a chungte chu administration sang tele NGO tenen in berona anti fel huna kumin September tha a Human Rights Council session we som thum paruk na I huna an thutluk na an sha tur thu an tarlanga he huna hian pusila rem rota director the Indigenous Forum po telve in khovel ram sang shwai tu te baka khovel tlom ngai pol sang tenen holak chun zom dan tur an soi hawani